Hi. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to use project versions to easily update your project. We will discover how to create different versions of a TerraExplorer project on SkylineGlobe Server and how to select the particular version that should be served to users. We will start with a TerraExplorer project, loaded from the SkylineGlobe Server. Now let's see how project versions work. Let's add a Streets feature layer and publish the project to SkylineGlobe Server. We select Update Existing to update the existing project on the server. Note that we reopen the same project again. We'll then repeat the process with a building classification feature layer. Here's where it gets interesting. Open SkylineGlobe Server Manager to the Layers page, right-click, and select Select Version. Note that there are 3 versions of this project, corresponding to each of the times we just published the project to SkylineGlobe Server. We can easily move backward to previous versions or forward to later versions. Let's select the second version and click Save. Now return to TerraExplorer and open this project. Note that you see the streets layer that was added in the second version, but not the buildings that were added in the third version. This aligns with our expectations. We can also open the project in TerraExplorer Fusion. Now back to SkylineGlobe Server Manager. This time, select the latest version. Remember that this was the one with the buildings layer. When you open the project in TerraExplorer, you'll see that it now includes the buildings layer too. Refreshing the TerraExplorer Fusion page, we see the third version as well. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out our knowledge base at support.skylinesoft.com.